Yes. Good afternoon. This is WBB Stars, and we are at the moment at the restaurant Bord'eau. I'm going to present you the cheese trolley. We started with a little bit of a different concept. Usually what you have on cheese trolleys is that you have the different sort of cheeses together. So usually what you see, you have white cheeses together, half hard cheeses, blue cheeses, red cheeses. And what we did is we divided them in 4 platters. So the first platter is mild and fruity. The second one is herbal and aromatic. The third one is rich and full. And the last one is ripe and spicy. So from each platter you could have a cheese plate. And we always let the guests ask or choose what kind of cheeses they would like, and they can have it from different platters. So just if you have some questions regarding it. A classic cheese plate, you start with a white cheese or a goat cheese, and it also depends on how intense the goat cheese is. Then you go to half hard, red and blue.
Okay. And this one is half hard.
This is Bord'eau.
Yeah,
Bord'eau, which is a creamy cheese, that most likely will be on the beginning of your plate.
Yeah, I would like that one.
Yep.
Ik denk dat de Haag heeft in de kleedkamer gast.
Do you like any goat cheese as well?
It depends.
Not too intense. Yeah? Which will be a suggestion is Charolais, which is a little bit of a dry texture in cheese, very mild, a little bit of a fruity note as well.
Okay.
It has a lactic rennet and gives it a more dry texture. It's something which you will start with and then have the peanut butter.
And maybe something with herbs.
Yes, of course.
I doubting between this one or this one or that one. What's the difference?
So this one is all blossom. It's from Austria, close to the Bord'eau. It has edible flowers around it.
Okay.
So it's a very floral cheese. It's a half cheese. This is the Fleur de Marquise. It's a cheese from Corsica. You have all the herbs that grows in Corsica around it. Rosemary, thyme, juniper berries. It's a wild cheese, but very aromatic.
Okay.
And this one is a classic Stilton. It's a blue cheese.
Yeah.
It will be more at the end of your plate.
Okay. I would prefer this one.
Yeah.
De grote Ronaldo. Maar dit is geen kwaaie kerel, hè?
Nee, ik heb wel goed hoor. Ik denk vaak hoe zij sympathiek wordt met jou. De mensen die dan dus weer zo. Eerst vond ik hier, mensen hier Ronaldo.
Messi laat zich eigenlijk doen, maar
And then some hard cheese.
Hard cheeses, which one is very nice to try, is we have a cheese from Van Tricht.
Yeah.
It is 18 months. And usually what you have is that cheese, it crystallizes a little bit and it gets like the salty flavors. And this one gets a little bit more caramel and toffee, which is very surprising.
Okay.
Lekker wijntje hoor.
New Zealand came all the way.
Are you going to have like a red cheese as well?
Yeah.
Yep. Would you like something more intense or a little bit more mild in flavors? We have taleggio.
Maybe
a little bit more
yeah.
mild.
Yeah, maybe
Yep.
I'll take that.
Ronaldo is voor 100 euro.
Receptie, niet sexy.
100 euro.
Waar is dat geld?
In de kas van degene bij Real Madrid.
Maar dat is dus...
Maar Real Madrid gigantisch.
A classic cheese plate, you will finish with a nice blue one.
A blue one.
Yes.
Manchester.
I'm not so into blue, but maybe. And this one is also blue.
This is a white cheese.
That's white.
Yeah, but if you're not into blue, which will be a nice recommendation, is a Bord'eau. We call it like it's a molded whipped cream. It's very soft. You have paraffin around the cheeses, which keeps them moist in the cheese.
Okay.
So it's very soft, very delicate, very easygoing, and especially if you're not into blue
Okay,
cheeses.
then I try that one.
Yep.
Thank you.
Is puree. Puree is de stad van, daar werken alleen maar hele arbeidende arbeiders.
Ja, dat is zeker ook inderdaad. Je ziet, we zijn onderlicht problemen.
Ja, wedstrijd.
Along with the cheeses, we're also going to serve you some syrups. So I will serve you all the syrups so you can try them.
Nee, maar het is net als een fijne toch?
Ja, hetzelfde.
Wij zijn nog wel eens
Vroeger zijn we elkaar gevraagd. Koopsnaar en wij weten voor Ajax doen.
Ja, er is straks
Het
al
is boven in de bocht.
Het komt altijd een Champions League zijn.
Dit rood. Nee, glaasje dit.
Ja, maar als je wat aan de druk gaat, dan is het een gehoord proberen. En dat was in gewoon een hele keer volgens mij. Dus allebei plankjes.
This is going to be your cheese plate. Yes?